Hey guys, so recently I decided to buy SpaceX stocks here, which is the pre-SpaceX IPO. I just want to share my experience and ang dami rin kasi nagtatanong what is IPO Prime. Currently, meron silang OpenAI na ongoing Prime IPO, no? So this is the details. Discuss ko lang dito guys kasi isa sa mga, I would say, malaking opportunity dito dahil sa app na ginagamit natin is that if i-launch man ito sa public, ay meron na kagad siya dito guys, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, punta muna tayo dito guys sa app na ginagamit natin. Let's go back home. So, itong app na ginagamit natin guys, meron akong video noong 3 years ago. Ito. So, dito sa ating YouTube channel, I think, 3 years ago, this is the app na ginagamit natin. I think, during that time, yung BTC is around 28K. Right now, nasa 80K na, no? So, dito guys, if you're interested naman, you can just go lang sa description ng video na ito. And then, select nyo lang itong pinaka-official global link, ito. Ayan. And then, mapupunta kayo dito. And if you want to create an account, just reject lang. And then, you can just join the promotion. Like for example, this one. Or you can just sign up dito guys, no? So, kailangan lang dito is email and cellphone number. And then after that, you can just create an account, no? So, assuming na nakapag-create na tayo dito ng account, this is the app user interface. If ever na kakasimula mo pa lang, mag-ask siya dito ng pinaka-verification, no? So, you can just verify naman dito. And then, ma-unlock na yung pinaka P2P. Wherein you can just add USDT. So, puntahan mo lang dito sa may more. Itong more na to. Let's go back ito. Ayan, select mo lang itong more. And then, hanapin mo lang dito yung pinaka P2P. Ayan, so dito sa may popular tab. And then, select lang natin itong P2P. And mapupunta ka na dito guys, no? So may mga payment method naman dito na available. Like for example, GCash, available dito. Ayan, e-wallet GCash. Select mo lang, confirm, and lalabas na yung option especially for the beginner-friendly ads, no? So you can just select this one. It depends kung magkano yung limit na gusto mong i-top up. Like for example, limit is like 5K, confirm, and lalabas na itong option na ito, no? And basic lang naman ito. Just follow the steps lang kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa app, no? So, let's go back guys. Assuming na meron na tayong pinaka-USDT dito. Again guys, na itong video natin today is just for ideas lang. For reference, for educational. It does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. I just want to share my experience dito as well as doon sa mga nagtatanong how IPO Prime works dito. Na kung saan merong mga available na pre-IPO stocks like SpaceX, like OpenAI. So, itong app na ito is available dito guys, no? Feel free to do your own due diligence and proper research pa rin sa end ninyo. And yeah, let's go here. So, for example guys, punta tayo sa my IPO Prime. And meron tayo ditong makikita na ongoing, no? So, current project is OpenAI. So, dito guys, sa IPO Prime is that you can get ahead of price doon sa IPO, potential in the future na ilalabas in public, like for example yung SpaceX and itong OpenAI which is ongoing ito. So sabi nga dito is there's an opportunities to get, I would say, early access for pre-IPO. We can just check naman yan. Ayan. And ongoing itong OpenAI, no? So ito is 2 days na lang as of recording this video. So this one guys, I'm one of the big fan ng SpaceX dahil sa kanilang missions. And andito nga yung mga details which is SpaceX exploration. Ayan, so they mentioned dito na may mga products sila, no? Like yung flagship products nga nila is yung Falcon 9. Ito yung nagdi-deliver ng mga Starlink sa orbit, Dragon spacecraft as well. Ito yung nagkarga ng mga astronauts. And itong Starship as well is a big or one of the biggest spaceship na ginawa ng SpaceX. So, its long-term goal to enable yung humans mission to Mars and support multiplanetary life. story dito dahil yung sun in the future will engulf yung earth, no? So sobrang init yung earth if ever na mangyayari yon in the future. Kaya ginugol ng SpaceX na magkaroon ng multiplanetary life. So completed na ito guys, pero I just recently trade dito. Ayan. So I have here 0.4, I think if I'm not mistaken, around $100, no? And I think dito pwede ata 1 USDT. So let's try maybe 1.1, confirm. Yeah, pwede 1.1 USDT, no? Ito yung makukuha natin na SpaceX amount or quantity sa price na 698 in USDT. Confirm. So mapupunta siya dito sa pinaka-order book dahil naka-limit order tayo. And I think it was executed na dahil medyo mataas yung price. Pero we can just limit order naman. If we want to execute ng buy sa mas mababang presyo, so we can use this option ng limit order. Ayan. And then like for example, 690 or 695. Ayan, confirm. And then for example, 5 USDT. So select and then we can just do limit order lang. Ayan, mapupunta na siya dito sa my orders. So, ganun lang siya guys dito na mag-work, no? So, currently, nasa spot yung pair na to. So, we can check. Under siya ng pre-IPO, spot, tapos pre-IPO. Ayan, makikita natin itong pre-SPACs USDT guys, no? So, I have, like for example, 14 cents, around 101 USDT. So, we'll see kung ano ang mangyayari in the future or ano yung magiging price nito if ever man na i-open publicly guys. If ever man na tumaas ito, I can anytime na ibenta ito. Like for example, umakyat man siya ng like 800 USDT, will get some profits. Like for example, I can limit order around 1.5. It depends guys, no? Wala namang guarantee talaga dito. But we'll see, as mentioned, kung ano man yung magiging price once na ma-open publicly. And kung gusto nyo pala guys na mag-join sa ating Discord, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito or feel free to comment Discord. Meron tayo dito mga discussions na sinishare, no? Like for example, yung mga coin na may potential. Like for example, this one. We share insights dito sa Discord natin. So feel free to join and feel free to comment Discord nga if you want to check yung ating Discord server dito guys, no? So let's go back here. Yun, isa sa mga opportunity ito, I would say, if I want to get early access dun sa mga potential project na nilo-launch before pa siya maging publicly available guys, no? So, yun. Sana nagkaroon kayo dito ng insights, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong regarding IPO Prime. So, sana nasagot ko yung video na yun. And yun lang for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.